afternoon, everybody. I'm now at the Melbourne train station. Just for a ticket. I'm going to take a train to the Stockholm Old Town, which is about 5 stations from here. So this is again at the Melbourne train station. So I'll be providing more updates later on. And this card cost me about 20 Sweden krona. Okay, so well, it will be more expensive, but I thought different countries, different way of doing things, maybe better. I'll give you some feedback later when I fly on the train. Okay, meanwhile, ciao, bye. Good afternoon, everybody. Now the time is about 2 o'clock. I'm now in the Stockholm now. Right picture, Nobel Museum. Very nice and majestic building. Cafe, restaurants where people are still enjoying themselves, even though this is past lunchtime, but they're still eating their lunch and their tea time. So it's very relaxing and all that. So this is the kind of lifestyle that I want. So meanwhile, I let the camera zoom, and then I'll make my way to explore this area. Okay, so I'll catch up with you guys shortly. Bye. Another shot for me in front of the Nobel Museum. You can see that they are street performance like what I was saying earlier on. Now what we are seeing is playing electronic organ here, and we actually managed to attract a big crowd. As the camera zoom, you see that many people are listening to him. And I thought this place reminded me of where I actually went to Vienna last year in Austria, where we also see a lot of street performance. Well, really enjoy the atmosphere. Very cooling, but not too cold. So very comfortable. So let the camera zoom while I continue to explore my exploratory trip here. Okay, bye. Good afternoon, everybody. Just a short update. I'm now in the Stockholm Old Town, like what I mentioned earlier on. This is actually one of the shopping street, the main shopping street of the Old Town. Well, you can see there are many shops selling souvenirs, lifestyle products and all that. What's interesting is there are also street performance. Like the two gentlemen behind me, they are playing nice music, they are singing, and it really elevates the atmosphere. And this is also one of the crowded areas in town. So it's very fun time walking around, exploring the place. And just now, I saw Tintin, okay, Tintin, the cartoon character. So I want to explore the music if there is one here. Well, this will come later on, and let the camera zoom again while I find my way to new places. Okay, bye. There are people of performing street artists, but I thought they may be from school or from churches where they actually perform, and they sing very well. Well, I can imagine if it is Christmas time, it's like a Christmas carol, even better than that. So we wanted the camera zoom and let you continue to listen to the songs while I explore this place. Okay, bye.